So, Mr. President, it is a privilege to introduce you here, and we are grateful to you for giving us the time.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much, Most Honorable Mr. Henry Kissinger. It is my very proud privilege to be talking of my country, my passion, Pakistan, and giving you certain realities, especially so because I feel that we are a victim of misperceptions and distortions. But since I'm running short for time, in spite of the fact that I'm going to talk of Pakistan, but I would like to recapitulate what Dr. Henry Kissinger started, and I would like to recapitulate back in July 1971. Pakistan facilitated a very important event at that time. That is the breaking of thaw between the United States and China. In that, Dr. Henry Kissinger went to China in a Pakistan International Airlines flight on 6 July 1971. And that was the time when there was a tussle in China between pragmatists and radicals. Had this visit not materialized, which led to the pragmatists like Mr. Chu Enlai coming up in China, and the improvement of relations that followed between the United States and China, maybe the radicals could have reasserted, and maybe the Cold War would have extended far beyond what we've seen its end in 1989. So therefore, that was the role that Pakistan played. But I've said this specially because I believe, sir, that Prime Minister Chu Enlai at that time asked the United States, never forget the bridge that facilitated that, and that was Pakistan. It is an unfortunate reality that in 1990s the bridge was forgotten.